Ah, stream!
I don't know.
There
Yes,
you are, I found you.
Okay, look at me.
Yeah?
Bye.
Legendary chest.
Hey
I'm
guys,
sorry.
I think
Good
Do I activate the teleporter?
No.
Dude, there was actually a frame where you were there, and the next frame you weren't. There was nothing in between.
You're not a coward,
Well-
feel right.
Guess I'm a coward.
Yo,
I'm not getting that shit. Will Grim die in stage 1? Wait, hold on!
That's what I'm saying. I had to vote no, so I can, you know. Hey Grim, where are you, by the way?
oh
Huh?
wait, is that a rock?
Oh, I can't turn my
We
phone-
should probably
my
go.
phone
We should all only
Engineer
Bungus.
gaming.
Only bungers.
Bungus gaming.
I love
friends.
bungers.
Alright, well, let's head over there. Yeah. Oh, the zone's so big. Hey, I bet you saw
Oh! Well. Looks like the believers won this one. Fuck you guys. I
I'm not
live.
getting any.
Okay, there we go.
Does anyone want a Britain one for NG?
Uh,
For a million bungus? I have a million bungus.
Oh no.
It's effective on everyone though. Everyone gets the healing dose
I got
from
one.
my.
I didn't get a single fucking one. I put my shit in.
You got one.
And then
Last second.
Do the thing.
I got one last second.
Boys.
I love having enough points to just fuck with the vote. I can just instantly skew it to yeah by voting 1,000.
This is not a vote. This you're gambling.
Don't vote, whatever. I have enough to sway it in my favor though.
That's not how this. You're gambling. You're putting that on the line. I don't think you understand how gambling works.
Yes.
Oh
I
man.
got Frost Relic.
Like a bungus. If I find a bungus printer, I have a plan. 99% of all the gamblers quit right before they hit it big. Completely correct. Never stop.
Never stop.
Never stop. Sooner or later, the house will lose.
They cannot win
If you get enough
forever.
money, they'll go bankrupt, right?
Yeah, it makes sense if you think about it. You can only lose 100% of your money, but you can win 400 plus. Do the math. It makes sense.
Can we start the teleport now?
Yeah, we definitely should.
Yeah, let's go.
Same.
I couldn't really.
Woo!
How do I say
Fuel
back to
cell.
you?
Yay!
Oh,
I need a
can I
Yeah,
just want
wait,
to.
I have 21 greens. But I
Are
also
we
need
going
one.
down to?
Yeah, we're going down. We're going down. We got the engines to carry. Now there
Go,
probably
boys.
is a bungus printer here, right? There should be a
there's a very
bungus
high
printer.
chance with the
Oh yeah,
amount of
there it
bungus
is. More, more. Yes, yes.
No more.
More. Yes.
Also, can we just all take a moment of silence to appreciate the soundtrack?
No.
I feel like right now, death is a suggestion for all of us.
Throne.
No, no fun.
Not Throne.
Mountain Shrine?
fun.
No Mount Throne.
No bitches.
Nah, wait, think about it.
Fuck it.
I'm definitely not kind of cheating right now. No, definitely not.
Oh,
It did work.
oh! I got Ronaldo funds. I got Ronaldo funds.
This works. Bruh.
I just saw a scavenger flying to oblivion.
What? Don't eat my. What you fuck?
Ah, yes, teamwork.
I literally, what I did there, I ordered a Big Mac, and you ate it in one bite.
Hey.
I reached for it, and it was already in your mouth.
Just reach in his mouth. It's that easy.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
I need to find more.
Oh
targets.
my God, Spoon, you motherfucker!
What happened?
Spoon did another Shrine of Order, and I get, I have 89 fucking bison steaks.
Wait, no, I didn't!
3k health.
I love frames.
Grip, I can supply you with 3
Oh,
of
Grim, go
these.
crush
Oh,
the thing.
3 of those? You can... Okay, hell yeah.
Hey Galaxy, how's it going?
Where's... Scrapper, please.
Oh no!
I can't even stay on the fucking map.
Fuck this mushroom in particular, explode. How is he alive? Die!
Oh, shoot. I need to make my way over to a
He
green
has so many
printer.
parasitic scorpions.
Oh my
back.
god, die! Holy shit!
I move so fast I can move through these.
Why are
mountains.
you alive still? Oh my... There we go!
There was a
Oh right, that's not go-tos. Where am I going? Syringes, there.
Literally right there.
I
Why
shut
not
up.
soldier syringe?
Laser.
Does it actually increase the attack damage on the laser? I thought it wouldn't.
Hold on. This is
It
really
does.
Correct on. This could be really good on me.
Okay, Jesus Christ.
And every single time it procs, it places a bomb.
Where's the bleed?
Okay, this is fantastic.
Bombs, because actually I can say you have a 155% crit chance right now.
I'm just gonna stick with what I got. Okay, let's go.
No, it's just a lot of crit chance. 155%.
Yeah.
A lot of crit.
Malachite grandparent.
If only I didn't die. You don't have it. You don't have your NG now.
Malachite would turn off the healing. Anyway, I shot grandpa.
Don't get hit.
You showed Grandpa.
Those bombs are.
There's no grandpa.
Those bombs are.
Grandpa dead.
stonking 'em.
Oh my god.
That's
Oh.
weird. It's all.
It's just there's planulas as well. The planulas are good.
Who cares about playing you?
Who is alive? Is it just me?
Squid Games.
No, it was more, right?
Squid
there's a lot of
Games!
You're just kind of the only one over there, Grim.
Squid Games! Squid Game! Squid Game! Yeah! Squid Game! Oh!
Oh,
Oh
Oh!
my god.
Oh! I got Squid Game.
All the bosses are dead.
Is that-
Just
no,
let it go.
Whoa.
let's go.
Let's
Hey
go.
guys, I saved this for all this time. I have indeed an item that can get us up there really easy. All of us. So many perfected.
Where can we
There
get
are
the
so many
legendary?
perfected.
It's gonna be like only perfected. Yeah.
Where's
The
the
scaling?
legendary pool? What?
Faction.
Huh?
It's a Bendrake
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
put on top of you.
I'm already having frame skips.
Yeah, it's because of the fireworks. Oh my god.
I cannot sprint again.
Finally.
Yeah?
Where's
What's,
the-
why
where's
not?
the-
Movement speed item.
What's yeah, what's the issue? What's the issue?
Fine.
What's the portal?
I'm so fucking slow.
I want to
Others
go
saying
punch
that
the
I
voiceling.
No, but we're shield though, right? We're shield.
We're 58 minutes. We're never gonna start the boss until like an hour in.
People keep fucking giving
Christ.
fucking keys. I have 73 encrusted keys. How am I supposed to do anything? They kept stealing my items.
I'm in space.
He's fucking deleted. The Shrine of Order looking so yummy. No.
Yes.
Shiny.
Ah,
Honestly, please, I might actually become stronger.
I won't.
That's the last one.
Nice squids you have, Grim.
can't hit him.
Had only them.
Yeah, that would be great, wouldn't it? No.
It would be so
Stay away
great.
from me.
No.
Not even once.
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead. He actually died, that's what.
He died. He just completely died.
One phased him.
We one face. This is
Two phased him.
Wait.
it just poured fire in his face.
Wait.
Alright, come on guys. Come on guys.
Shrine of Order didn't
I
activate.
hate my walls. I
No.
hate my walls.
Damn.
Elixir. Elixir.
36 more bands.
God.
72 bands.
I won.
27 bands.
I didn't.
Why is
no
no one
more.
giving me fucking encrusted keys?
What am I gonna do? Die?
I also fired.
You wanna know what is what's more fire? Laser.
And we have our we have enough to get the thing.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. We're doing all right.
We're doing alright.
We're doing fine. We're doing pretty good. What's he gonna do? What are you gonna do, motherfucker? Kill me? I'll just walk it off, and then I'll do it again, and again, and another 103 times.
Oh, I can't make this.
There. Alright.
You can barely make the jump.
I can't move. Oh, made it.
Oh,
First try. We out here gaming. Let's fucking go.
I put a thing at the entrance seeing heal. Oh.
This is real bad. Remember, you have to kill mine 100 times.
Oh no.
Oh, you funny eyeball.
You're never gonna beat the boy thing on soon.
Oh yeah, watch this.
I mean, honestly, we probably could have if those things didn't just obliterate us.
I'm still alive. What is he gonna do? Kill me? What's he gonna do? Exactly. No way.
You cannot give me debuffs. I just heal.
I am more immortal than him.
The void.
No, all the summons also attack him.
No, he's doing the big. No, I thought he was doing the big suck.
We're better gonna get a log.
Oh, that's the exit. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
It's funny.
Fuck. Fuck.
Funny for you.
Not very much.
Yeah, no, as long as I'm running. No, if I'm standing still, I die.
Oh my god, Grim, did you
Void
not
damage
press?
is also
Why didn't you just
increasing.
press shift?
What do you mean by doing? Fuck you.
How you this?
Fuck you.
You're actually throwing.
I'm not throwing. I'm just bad.
What classes do you play?
Ah!
Oh my god, Grim.
Oh my god.
Game time.
I am not even joking. What? Let me over.
Do we need to have Jesus to...
Is anyone else
Controller.
alive or is it just me?
Yeah, no, there's others alive. They're already at it. They're already fighting.
The boss is gonna be dead before you even get there.
Me fighting is a huge world.
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm
We believe in you. You can do it.
This is absolutely painful to watch.
fuck you.
Listen to the voices.
That's another sub.
I've written a story, and I
How do
can't
people
write,
to you?
so
Oh, you're so disappointing.
No, I made okay. First jump. First jump. I made it over first jump.
The thing
shit.
is, he didn't do anything but edit a video about someone else playing the video game well.
Listen.
Grim. Disappointing.
Oh my god, Grim. What's the matter with you?
I'm starting to believe that I have more brain cells than you, somehow.
If only
Might
he would lose a
actually-
bottle every time he dropped.
Yeah.
He'd be dead.
Grim.
Oh fuck.
You've gotten the void up
Grim, you are
to 47
disappointing.
damage. It started like 12.
Grim, you are disappointing Carl.
Poor Carl.
I did it.
Oh my
I
god.
did it. I 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 made it. I made it. First try.
You are so bad.
Let's go.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm so mad that I died. That's a stupid way to watch this.
Look at this damage I'm gonna do though. Look at that.
Doesn't it?
Look at the fucking scorpion default.
It's increasing rapidly.
Are you doing the big song?
Believe it.
Grab the dagger.
Ah! Ah! Oh!
Grim, get the
They
bleed.
beat the Void Link.
Doesn't grab the dagger.
I'm gonna grab all the items around.
It's to reach my fucking balls. Fuck you.
Finally, Grim. This pussy is a single bleed.
He doesn't deserve balls.
And he's already stacked like almost together.
2 stacks. Go,
Look at
go.
that. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go! I win! All VPP!
We all believed in you.
I didn't even die to the boss. I just died to
Man,
my
you
dice spot.
guys are really bad at this game.